in the studio, back in the studio, back in the studio, back in the studio, back in the.
Wake up in the morning, strap the shoes on my feet, grab my notebook of rhymes and my dirty rum beats. Off the studio I go, and you should all know it's my place to release and just let it all flow. But not driving slow, on my way, I'm never late. Make the sound so right, see the people levitate. Cause I'm 1 past 8, on the top of cloud 9. And we haven't even started, just spit the first line. Walk in and just clown with my boys in the lobby. It's our life and our heart, much more than a hobby. Last cloud with Ted Jew made my brain kinda hazy. Look at Jesse all weird, cause again he's getting crazy. Step tall in the booth, and first one's the warm-up. Drop the beat down, and brought the whole storm up. The best thing about it are hip-hop and friends. I can't wait till we're back in the studio again.
Studio, back in the 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 studio, back in the.
AK gets busy, Kane gets busy, passing out flies in the heart of the city. I ain't Diddy, so I've never changed my name since the very first day. Always been AK, same goes for the Jew, he's paid his dues. Praise not in the same cipher as you, cause he'll crush your crew, whether streets or booth. Cause your rhymes are full of more fiction than truth, kicking that old school flow. At the studio, the place I go to bare my soul, let out frustration even if it gets messy. Hang out with the crew, joke around with Jesse, he's rolling his eyes cause I want the
pitch shifter.
Metaphors flying, I'm the pain inflictor. 101 stickers, plastered to the hall, smiling so much we showing more teeth than Paul Wall.
Studio, back in the 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 studio, back in the.
We in the studio, right or wrong, didn't stop the pressure enough to watch the heart bust, though, cuz we doing this because I'm trying to write the they ain't see nothing yet, dog, so let's get it up. The club's empty, we lost to the end, the leaders the end, the weed can't stop the wrong, the kids dying, who dying? We dying from leaving them alone, Papadopoulos to the dome, so please let's get it on. I'm in the studio, pimp, dog, that's to the break of dawn. I'm finna do this once again, I ain't gonna let this stuff in, watch the hips, the back out, the hot is out, trill like the 80s of Michael Jackson. Ted you once again, using it wrong or right, no bad vibes. We doing these vibes. Papadopoulos in here, pimp, so you better dot your eyes. Bush full of all lies. Hit us with a great goose bottle from the side of the head. Right the balls, the prison, the life designed to give us. One day we will stop breathing, eternal life. That's what I dream for. Pilsner rhymes to hell, now bring me to hell. My plan is for us to all. If we wanna live, dog, then we must say our prayers.